Hi guys. So first of all, I decided not to record plan with me videos in the other languages because I want to have the most important ideas out, scripted out and translated, and then have the same video in 6 languages on Polyglot Mona. But those plan with me videos are just like collecting ideas, showing me in the process, giving you some into my life as a planner and translator and whatnot. And today I had a great idea. I don't know why, but sometimes I'm looking at things and I think, why can't I enjoy using the left side of the spiral bounder? It's because my hand is laying on the spiral and I don't like this feeling. But at the same time, I don't want to waste the left side. So today I had the idea, and actually, I've never seen something like this, but it should be easy to design, and I will design it. So instead of having the planner vertically, I will just design it like this, and then I can write here and don't have the problem with my hand being on the spiral, because the spiral is now on the upper side, and that's on every page. So it's on the left page and it's like that on the right page. So that's just perfect. So, and good that I have this planner, which I made personally for me, so that I can see what I need, because I want to stay in it. And the first thing is, I want to continue to journal. So the dark blue is journaling, so you can see that I did a lot. And then green is health and relaxation. And then the routines are brown and the priorities are red. And then in orange is miscellaneous. And then I also marked what I did in green. So that's kind of confusing with health and relaxation. I have different greens, but then I have the light green for appointments. I shouldn't have that. I can't find my it could be in this bag. I didn't use this bag for a while. Yes, it's here. It was in here, which I didn't use for a week or so, and I had put that into my bag. So I will put that for appointments, and then I can have the light green marking what I have completed. So let's change that so that I don't forget that. So appointments in black. So where are appointments? So I can back plan, which doesn't make any sense, but yeah, here. So there was Elena yesterday, which is my Russian friend I'm correcting books with. So I correct her books and she corrects mine. And then there was the live from 5:30 to 8 minutes later. It was on Pocket Where You Love It, which is this account. And I also wrote down when I ate. That was 4:10 to 4:50, 40 minutes. That's because I had to prepare a lot of vegetables and so on, like today. And I also included in this task the cleaning. And the other things are not appointments. They were the start times. I can do them in red because those were the priorities. So for the blog post, I needed from 1:21 to 1:38. Not that much. It's 17 minutes only. I'll also write that down, 17 minutes. And then the hygiene video in Italian, 1:38 to 2. Then I had the lesson with Eleanor, which was 22 minutes. And then from 4:50 to 17:01, that's 5:01, that's 11 minutes. So in a whole, it took me 33 minutes. And then from 5:01 to 5:10, that was the polyglot Parquet Lovett 1000 verbs to be in present tense, Italian, Spanish. 9 minutes only. Yeah, that's because the first of every language takes a bit longer. Also, the first of every episode takes a bit longer because then I have to copy paste all the things in the presentation. But yeah, that's only the editing, so it shouldn't take that long. Oh, I did reading. I didn't mark that I had read also yesterday. And I did bathing in the river yesterday. And I did everything on my list. Look at that. Two pages of to-dos and I did everything. So happy. And then I made a new to-do list and I already completed some of those tasks. It was a to-do list for the next day, but then I started some and I completed some. So I will journal again in blue. I did that in the evening and that in the morning. And I want to have my sticker. So what are the to-dos for today? So in 9 minutes I will have the live in French on Voyage en VUS. I'm just you can't see me writing? No. I'm asking because I'm typing in my password. So you can't see it. No. And well, very easy. I need 3 pictures. One for the blog post in Russian. I already have that blog post, so the thumbnail already exists. I'm just looking where I have it. It's here. I think I already did a screenshot. Let me look. Maybe it's here under my screen. No, I didn't do a screenshot here. So a screenshot of the thumbnail of the blog post. And then I need the hygiene in Russian. Hygiene. Always when I disconnect the external hard drive, then I have to look for the folder where I have the things in. So hygiene is here where it's nomad, and here is number 1 in all languages, and then here's Russian, and number 1 is here. So I have to write an email to myself because I'm sitting on the driver's seat, which means my iPhone is connected to the car, and so I can't airdrop anything to myself, but I can send something via email. And the first one being the group lessons blog post. Yeah, 5 minutes to the life. I know. And then the second one is the hygiene, Russian, number 1. And then the third one is 1000 verbs, Italian, Russian. 1000 verbs, Italian, Russian. Polyglot pocket Lawford. 1000 verbs. 1A present. Russian. No. That's not it. Let's close all those notifications. So that's the German one. I don't need the German one. I need Italian Russian. Do I have Italian Russian? I don't think so. I think I have to make it. So 1000 Russian, 1000A, 1A. Get one of my planners now, either on Shopify or on Amazon, or check out my sticker sheets. They are very beautiful. All links, as always, in the description. And now have a lot of fun. No, that's German. And what's that? German, Russian. Russian. I think I have to make it. So then if I have to make it, I have to look in Google Drive which ones I have to open. 1A and Russian. So there's German Russian, Spanish Russian, French Russian and English Russian. No Italian Russian, yeah. So I open German Russian, and then I also open German Italian, and then the German Italian next to the other one. And then I have to make a copy of one of them. Well, I don't need the German twice. I'm not sure what to do now. Okay, I'll make a copy of the Russian German copy, whole presentation, and then I'll name it that it's Italian Russian, and then in the end there's Russian and Italian, and make this copy, then close the other one. And now where the German is, I have to put the Italian part and make it green. And what else do I need? I need the thumbnail for my sticker. 3 minutes. Okay, this is the title in Italian. Copy that to here and make it green. So that's now Italian Russian. Download only this picture. 2 downloads. Save. Then open the downloads folder. Downloads, and then open the email, and then the downloads. I have to sort by date. No, it's not here. Where is it? Where did I download it to? How is this file called? It's called 000 something. Must be in downloads. Where are you? You are not there. So I'll search for this because this is a MacBook. You can search by name. Here it is. And it's not in color. Yes, I know, but that doesn't matter for this picture because I just want to make my sticker. Send. Then I have to open where the live takes place. Is it that one? 21st? Is it 21st? Yes. No, not like that. Where is it? In live control room. And it's 5:30, so I can't show you the sticker now, but later in 8 minutes. So it's the end of the live. The live is done, and I want to do my sticker, and I want to start planning like this. So I need the printer, switch it on, take my phone, and when it's switched on, it connects to my phone. Oh. And yeah, I need, yeah, okay, allow, but I need to download the 3 photos from the email. So here's the email, and now I can download the pictures, save to photos. Save to photos and save to photos. Okay, now I open the mini print app again. Collage, 3 pictures like that, and I add the 3 one. Where's there's 1 picture missing. So the 3rd one, save to photos. So I hope now it worked. Yeah. So number 2 and number 3. Good. And then zoom it a bit so that I can see the whole thumbnail. And then a border. Let's have this orange. Wait, this is the wrong one. This one is wrong. I need the Russian one. What did I do? I sent the wrong screenshot. Things like this happen when you have a lot to do and you do those things in 6 languages. Then sometimes it's a bit confusing, and I have put my password, and in the middle I don't remember anything. I always have to start again when I don't put it completely. So let me just answer to my own email, take the desktop folder, and yeah, that's why I sent the wrong screenshot, because it didn't screenshot what I wanted to screenshot. Connect the internet to the hotspot of my iPhone. Make the screenshot of the blog post in Russian. And then put the screenshot in the email. So now it has to upload, and then I can send it. And then clap. And now I've got a new email, and I can download this picture, save to photos. And now I can go to the app, and I have to select everything again. So first in this one, second is polyglot. Hello, hello, why isn't it working? Oh yeah, because I only have to put one. Yeah, okay, it's just this one, because this was saved in between. I only had to replace the first picture. So that's it. That's it. I can see everything. I can read everything. I can make this a bit bigger. Yeah, it's okay. So now print. And you can see that it's being printed out on the screen as well, because you will be able to see the picture coming out of the printer on the screen same time as on the printer in reality, which is so cute. So yeah, the sticker is coming out. I love my life, I love the sticker, and I'm happy. I think you can realize that. And I'm sorry about singing so bad. It's just that I'm so happy that I have to sing. Yes, this is my sticker. Okay, that's it. So, my sticker, which I will put on this page. And I'm happy that I have this sticker. I didn't drink anything. I don't drink anymore. It's just pure happiness. Because I was bathing in the river again today, like yesterday. Okay, let me put it here. And I will write down the start and end time next to it. So, start. And end. Like this. And now, first of all, I have to go to the charging station, because my car is on 35%, so it's kind of urgent. Not that much, but a bit urgent. And I don't want to charge it on the day when I have to work, because that takes so much time. And so I will do it today. And tomorrow I will hike a lot more, so I won't have time to charge. And after tomorrow is already the day when I work. So I'm going to this charging station now, and then I will start my wonderful tasks. Interesting flies sitting on my window, because there's a tree with berries above me, and my car is full of berries, and they are eating the berries that splashed on my window. Okay, have a nice evening. Bye bye.